Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I was gonna do an unboxing of the Kat Von D 10th year anniversary palette, which I ordered a few days ago, and it got here. And I filmed the whole thing, and then I just like lost my audio because my mic wasn't on, and I didn't realize that until halfway through the video. So as you can see, the look here is like already done. I just didn't want to wipe the makeup off and like redo it because I'm really in love with this look. So I have the box right here, and I'm just gonna like pretend like I didn't cut it yet, even though like obviously I did. And it's really sucks. Like, it made me so angry. Like, I just want to like punch something. Yeah, you cannot believe the frustration that I am feeling right now. But yeah, so long story short, Kat Von D came out with a 10th year anniversary collection, and she has some brushes, and which retail for I think $125. I'm not sure, it was only like 5 brushes, but they are gold and they're really pretty, but they are pretty pricey. But her palette on the other hand is only $52, and it's at Sephora and katvonDbeauty.com, which is where I ordered it from. So I'm gonna tell you right off the bat that I am in love with this palette since I already opened it and like filmed the whole thing. And just like with Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I did an unboxing in that video, and I got emails and updates saying, hey, we got your order, hey, your order's on its way, hey, it's delivered, blah blah blah. And it was just a really nice experience. So this did come in a brown box, unlike the Jeffree Star one, which came in a pink box, but like I'm not mad. I don't expect everyone to have like some grayed out packaging or whatever. But however, when you open it, it came with some bubble wrap which like threw out. It came in this tissue, it's wrapped in this black tissue paper which actually says Kat Von D on it. It has her like logo, KVD, and it had a sticker. I don't know if what happened to the sticker, but it had like her own little sticker taped like right here. And then yeah, so I'm just gonna like open this for you guys and show you how you had to create this sunset looking eye look, which I'm so in love with. So once I open this, ta-da! It is like a really nice package. It comes in a gold box and with the Kat Von D logo engraved, and all the shade names are on the back. And I did point out in my first take that a lot of them are women's names, except for this one blue one called Chad, and Egypt, and Lala, and Leofar. I don't know what that is. But oh, that's Kelly. Okay, I always said hell. Every time I see it, it looks like an H, but it's really a K. I don't know if you can like see it. Yeah. So the other shade names are Melanie, Adele, Alexandra, Malice, Nancy, Ashley, Catherine, Gina, Kelly, Sarah, Sylvia, Carolyn, and Carolyn. Yeah, and those are all the women's names. So I was like, as I said before, and the first take, which I obviously can't post, I was wondering what her shade names were, like what her inspiration was, because obviously it's really unique. There's a lot of like women's names except for like the select few. So I was really wondering where she got her inspiration for that. And then once you open it, like, you guys are gonna be shook by this package, by this actual palette itself, because this is the front of it. And it honestly gives me like modern Renaissance, like gothic-ish painting vibes. And then the back is like gold, and all the shade names are in the back, it's just not in color. And I was just so in love with this. Like, it's honestly one of my favorite palettes, I think, or like, it's definitely in the top rank, because like I think Kat Von D a lot of times has like really unique packaging. Like, this is the Saint and Sinner palette. It's like a coffin or like a tombstone or whatever, and then you open it up and it's like a two-fold, and it has that. So that's something really unique, I think. And I think this is very unique as well. But once you open it up, here are the shades, and it comes with 5 shimmers out of 16, and the rest are matte. So yeah, I'm really loving this gold one, and I think the one's called Egypt. Yeah, I'm literally loving the one called Egypt. This is gold shimmery one right here. And then there are a lot of nude ones, and there's some standout colors, but a lot of them are like basic and like nude, which is fine. I'm kind of like drawn to those colors anyway. They're easier for me to use. Like, I'm not really a crazy rainbow person anymore. However, like, I will use those shades. I'm sorry that this first part of my video is not as fun and like as like cool as I would have liked it to be. I just like lost my audio, and I just feel super upset about that. But the first thing I did to get this look was I took a fluff brush from my makeup brush set, and I went in with the shade Sylvia, which is this one right here, and I just put that all over my lid. And then for a transition shade, I went in with the Pro Tapered Crease Brush from Sephora, and I believe I used this one called Ashley right here, and I just put that in my crease. And like I'm about to say in the upcoming video, they're really blendable and easy, and just easy to apply, and just I'm loving this. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of my video, because somewhere in here, like after this, is when I realized my mic was off. And honestly, like, I didn't know that because my mic was still plugged in. I guess that's why the audio got lost, because I didn't turn it on, so it wasn't like pick up anything I was saying. So I'm gonna show you the first two shades that I use, and then like somewhere along there my audio comes back, so I'll just cut to that too. And yeah, that's it. So thanks, and I'm so sorry about that. I wanted this to be super exciting, so like I'm really upset, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah. Okay, in my opinion, this is blending super easily, and it goes on really well, and like it just looks like a really smooth transition, and it's super easy. Like, it's a lot easier than some other palettes I have, and I'm not gonna name names. Also, I am so sorry, you guys. I am so stupid, but I forgot to turn my mic on, and I just did all this filming, but there's no way I can like re-film the unboxing. So I just now turn my mic on, and yeah, so if the audio is changing a little bit, that's why. Yeah, so I'm super sorry about that mistake. So now I'm gonna go in with this Pro Blending Brush from Sephora, number 27. And I'm gonna go in right here with this maroon shade. It's called Malice. So I'm just gonna go there and that. And if you watched my Born to Run review, I know a lot of those shades had a lot of fallout and it was like really bothering me. So the one thing I really like about this palette is like there's hardly any fallout. Like, and some fallout obviously is natural, but like so far in the first 3 shades I used, there's like none. And well, like none like abnormal. So I'm just gonna pop this in the outer half of my crease and blend it all together with the first 2 shades I used. So yeah, this is blending amazing and I'm really happy about it. Honestly, I'm just like loving this palette. Like I said before, it is and one of my top favorites. As you can see right here, I have this like gradient-ish thing going. So now I think I'm gonna have some fun with the shimmer shades, and I'm gonna go in with this gold sparkly shade called Egypt. And I'm gonna take a Sephora packing brush, this little metallic one that I use in like all my videos, and I'm just gonna go in and put that on the inner half of my lid and blend it in with the reddish shade. So I don't know if you can see it, but in my opinion, this shimmer shade works a lot better than some other shimmers and other palettes that I've used in the past. It goes on very nicely and very smoothly, and it was just so easy to just pack right in there. And now I'm gonna go back in with the Pro blending brush, and I'm gonna just blend in the edges of where the red meets the gold. So as you can see, I kind of have like a sunset kind of look on my eyes. Like I'm like honestly like living for it. I don't know how well the gold is showing up on camera, but I know that I'm just loving it when I look in the mirror. And I guess I'm gonna finish off the look by highlighting my brow bone, and I'm gonna go in with the, again, with the first brush I used, the fluff brush from the My Makeup brush 25-piece set, and I'm gonna go in with this shade called Melanie. There's like light one right here. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone with that. So yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super easy to recreate, honestly, and it's just, I'm just honestly like loving it. It's just a super easy like sunset-ish look, and I'm just gonna swatch some other ones for you guys really quickly, like this one called Leafar. I'm just gonna swatch this on my wrist really fast. That's one of the shimmer blue one. And I really like that one. And I'm gonna go in with the dark blue one called Chad. No, that's like super pigmented. Like, there's that one. And I'm gonna go in with this shimmer purple one called Catherine. And there's that one. I'm gonna swatch that one. You can see like they're like really pretty. And I'm gonna do one more, and I'm gonna do this one called Nancy. It's this like brownish one right there. And I'm just gonna swatch that. There, like that one's really nice. So yeah, that's it for this look. I'm already wearing mascara, so I'm not gonna put any on, and I'm not gonna put any eyeliner on just to make this video shorter and sweeter. Oops, I did get some swatches on the front, but yeah, overall I give this palette an 8 or a 9. I'll give it an 8.8 out of 10. Honestly, like I'm so in love with it. Like the packaging, A+, the colors, A+, and really pigmented, really easy to blend, like really blendable. Yeah, and the mirror, I'm just loving this mirror. It's a huge mirror, and like I'm loving it. Yeah, definitely like an 8.8 out of 10. I'm gonna just give it one as well, give it a 9. So yeah, 9 out of 10 for the Kat Von D 10th anniversary limited edition palette, and it's currently at Sephora or at katvondbeauty.com for $52. And I know it's limited edition, so if you are definitely interested in this, get it while you can. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, let me know how I did. Give me any feedback you want. I'm always open to constructive criticism, and let me know any of your suggestions or anything you want to see. Let me know. Like I have some really cool videos planned for you guys later on, so tune in next week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye babes.